Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change language in FreeCash. So all you need to do is open any browser and then type in FreeCash and then press on the first link. After you press on that link, you will be redirected to sign into your account. Now after signing into your account, all you need to do is scroll down. You will see English here. You just press on it and you can see all the languages available: English, Italian, French, Portuguese, Korean, Japanese, Spanish, Polish, Danish, German, Swedish, Turkish, and Dutch. So you can choose any language that suits you. For example, we can choose Japanese and it will automatically refresh and change the language for you. If you wish to restore the language, you can go here and press on English again and it will refresh again and change the language for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.